Hello and welcome. You're watching Kavoo Creative. Today, we'll be designing something new using basic shapes. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a pinwheel mosaic pattern using Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started and create something new. Select the Artboard tool. Just double-click it from the toolbar. Next, in the Display panel, and enable the Show Center Mark setting. After that, click OK. We only need the stroke, so turn off the fill. Select Rectangular Grid tool from Toolbar. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Set both the width and height to 300 pixels and set both horizontal and vertical dividers to 3 and press OK. Select Pen tool from Toolbar. Draw the shape step by step. Follow the guidelines. Select All and select Shape Builder tool. Swap Stroke to fill. While merging, the Shape Builder shows a plus sign. Hold Alt key to subtract shapes. It shows a minus sign. Right-click and select Ungroup. Now select all, hold Shift, and click on the area we want. Then, press Delete key. Change the color, one by one, using Eyedropper tool. By holding the Control key, the eyedropper temporarily switches to the Selection tool. Select all. Now, select the Rotate tool. Hold the Alt key, and left-click on the center. Enter an angle as 90 degrees, and click Copy. Now press Ctrl+D 2 times to create a duplicate. Now, select all. Go to the Object menu and choose Expand. Check both Fill and Stroke, then click OK. Open the Pathfinder panel and choose Divide. Select the Magic Wand tool. Click on the white edge in Design. Then press the Delete key to remove it. Lovely job! Keep polishing it, the design is turning out great. If this helped, hit like. Subscribe for more from Kavoo Creative. Consistency creates results. Thanks for being part of this.